In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage invoices using QuickBooks, a powerful accounting software that simplifies bookkeeping for your business. Whether you're just getting started or have been using QuickBooks for a while, this guide will help you navigate the invoicing process smoothly. First, open your web browser and head to the QuickBooks homepage. If you aren't already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the intuitive dashboard, which will be your central hub for managing finances. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a navigation bar. Click on New, located near the top of this panel. This button is your gateway to creating various transactions such as invoices, expenses, and more. It's especially handy when you need to quickly set up a new document. After clicking New, a drop-down menu will appear. Look for the Invoice option, which will be prominently displayed. Selecting Invoice will open a new window designed for your invoice details. This interface is where all the magic happens, allowing you to customize the invoice to meet your needs. Next, focus on the Customer section of your invoice. You'll see an option to Add a Customer. Click on it to either select an existing customer from your list or add a new one. This part is crucial, as having accurate customer information enables you to manage your invoices and subsequent payments efficiently. Now, let's add a customer. If it's a returning client, you can simply choose their name from the drop-down menu, which displays your saved customers. For demonstration purposes, you might see Test, Test, Test. Normally, you'd select a real client here, ensure their details are correct, and have their address and contact information handy to avoid any complications. After setting up the customer, look to the Attachment section on the right-hand side of your invoice window. Click on Attachments to add any necessary files that support the invoice, such as contracts, images, or other documents. This step allows you to provide additional context or evidence of the transaction, which can be reassuring for both you and your customer. By following these steps, you'll be able to create detailed invoices that are professional and reflect the needs of your business. You've just learned how to navigate QuickBooks effectively, making your accounting tasks much more manageable. Remember, the more organized your invoices, the easier it is to track payments, manage customer relationships, and maintain a strong handle on finances. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to check out more of our videos if you need further assistance with QuickBooks or other business solutions. Have a great day, and happy invoicing!